Just a few minutes ago at WWDC 2025, Apple introduced macOS 26, the latest operating system for Apple computers. And in this video, I will show you how to download the macOS 26 full installer. The full installer helps perform a clean installation or creating a bootable USB drive to install macOS 26 on multiple Macs. macOS 26 is currently available in the developer beta version. In the past, only paid developers had access to beta software. However, 2 years ago, Apple changed their policy regarding beta software. Now everyone can download Apple's beta software for free by joining the Apple Developer Beta program. All you need to do is open your web browser and go to Apple Developer website. Now, sign in using the same Apple ID that you use on your Mac. And that's all. Once you are signed in, you will be able to download the macOS 26 Developer Beta. To download the macOS 26 Developer Beta, just open your system settings, click on Journal, and then select Software Update. You should see a new option labeled Beta Updates. Turn it on. By the way, if you do not see the macOS 26 Developer Beta listed here, then it means your Mac is not compatible with macOS 26. Anyway, close the system settings and open the Terminal app. In the terminal, type this command. You can copy and paste the command from the video description. Press the Enter key and wait a few moments. After a few seconds, you will see a list of available installers, which will include the macOS 26 Developer Beta. Please note that your list may differ from mine, depending on the type of Mac you are using. If your Mac is compatible with macOS 26, your Apple ID is associated with the Apple Developer Beta program, and you have enabled Developer Beta software in system settings, then you will see macOS 26 Developer Beta listed for sure. To download macOS 26 Developer Beta, use the following command. Press the Enter key and wait a few moments for the macOS 26 installer to begin downloading to your Mac. This process will take some time, mostly depending on your internet speed. Once the downloading is complete, navigate to your application folder, where you will find the installer. Now you can use this installer to install macOS 26 or to create a bootable USB drive. I have created step-by-step videos on these topics. The links are in the video description. Now let's discuss the second method. The second method is even easier than this. Simply download the macOS 26 Developer Beta directly from the Apple server. For that, open your web browser and go to the direct link to download macOS 26 from the Apple server. Once the downloading is finished, go to your Downloads folder and extract the macOS 26 PKG file by double-clicking on it. Follow the on-screen instructions, and in a moment, you will find the macOS 26 installer in your application folder. So friends, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.